How to make Snapchat account private. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to make Snapchat account private. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Now click on this Bitmoji icon. Now click on this gear icon in right side. Scroll down and you can see view my story option. Click on it and click on friends only, and now go to the see my quick add option and uncheck this. Now click on see my location, turn on ghost mode, and that's it. These settings are help you to private your account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.